What makes Bishop Frank Otha White one-of-a-kind leader? It's the ability to stand on stage and speak to all politicians, leaders, dignitaries of all sorts, all levels. It's the ability to hug a young man in need of a hug. What makes Bishop Frank Otha White such a great man? If I can just channel the words of his one and only son, it's the anointing. It's the anointing that allows him to conduct the church business with precision and excellence. It's the ability to stand with the family that's just lost a loved one at the cemetery. It's simply the anointing that makes Bishop Frank Otha White the best leader possible. And he is a man chosen for such a time as this. Bishop Frank Otha White, simply one of a kind.